dear traders, you're watching InstaForexTV with me, Anna Kasatkina. During our weekly link-up, we're going to talk about the current market conditions and forecast further dynamics with the help of our technical analyst, Petr Jakimovic. European currencies are finishing the trading week with losses. The euro and the pound sterling sank to two-month lows. The independence referendum in Catalonia and the police violence against voters dealt a blow to the euro. In response to the brutalities, the Catalan population declared a strike. Investors are voicing concern over political instability in the region and are not ready to buy the single European currency. Hi Petr, considering technical indicators, how long will sellers set the tone for the euro-dollar pair?
Hello there, traders. I'm expecting a downward movement on the euro versus US dollar, and as I learned in the previous week in my forecast, that you should watch for selling opportunities, and that was actually playing out, and the price is going lower. I found the breakout of the 4-week trading range, and I marked on the chart. There is also a hidden bearish divergence on the moving average oscillator. And there is a shift in momentum on the MACD. So technically speaking, it's looking very bearish, and momentum is shifting. Actually, we changed behavior from the bullish to the bearish in past week. And my advice is absolutely to watch for selling opportunities on any basically rally. The first take profit level is at the price of 1.1650. And this is also a round number, and according to the price action, this is the level to watch. And if the price breaks 1.1650, watch for a potential testing of 1.1425, which is also Fibonacci retracement 61.8%. So again, there is a broken trading range, there is a shift in momentum on the MACD, and there is also hidden bearish divergence according to the moving average oscillator. So watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair.
The euro-dollar pair is evidently weighed down by the stronger US dollar. The pound sterling has also come under pressure from the American counterpart. Do you think it is too early for the pound bulls to enter the market?
On the British pound versus US dollar, I found very similar things. According to a daily time frame this time, I found a broken trading range in the background. And the bearish momentum, actually the similar thing like on the euro, we're shifting from bullish to bearish on the MACD, so momentum is shifting lower. And as I alerted you in previous week to watch for selling opportunities, this idea is playing out, and you know, the progress is very good. Watch for our levels 1.315, which is the level of 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. And then watch for levels 1.3, which is a very key round number as well, and 1.2900. So bearish momentum, weak demand, price respecting also the 5 simple moving average according to the daily time frame or the weekly moving average. So absolutely sellers in control on this currency pair. So watch for selling opportunities.
Are traders changing their attitude to risk, and what further direction do you expect for the dollar-yen pair?
I'm expecting an upward price on the USD versus Japanese yen. The reason is we got a fake breakout as alleged in previous weeks. According to the weekly time frame, there is a morning star formation. There is actually fake breakout of the support cluster, and this actually signaled that sellers got trapped on that fake breakout. And the buyer stepped in, the professional money stepped in, and they establishing and building a buying position on this currency pair. There price is basically, and Japanese yen is trading in the trading range, but there is still space for an upward price to retest that resistance of that trading range, and that is the level of 114.50. So that is a first upward target, and the second upward target is at the price of 115.50. Again, there is also divergence, the bullish divergence there, and again, momentum, the price is trading above the 4 simple moving average according to the weekly time frame. So absolutely buyers in control at the moment, and my advice to watch for buying opportunities on the dips on this currency pair.
Eventually, we see a decline of the Australian dollar. Do you think the Aussie's weakness will persist next trading week?
I'm expecting lower price of the Australian dollar versus US dollar. As I alerted in the previous weeks that you should watch for selling opportunities, and that is actually playing very good. Price is basically right now testing the solid support. There is actually bearish divergence in the background. There is a broken triangle in the background. And my advice to watch for selling opportunities with a first target at 0.7750. This is also a round number and a Fibonacci retracement level. If the price breaks up with 0.7750, then price may continue lower and potentially retest the 0.7650 level. So my advice after to watch for selling opportunities. Buyers lost the power. Or weekly time frame, sellers step in, and this currency pair looks pretty bearish at the moment. So watch for selling opportunities.
Thank you for your recommendations, Peter, and see you next week. You've watched InstaForex TV Link Up with me, Anna Kasatkina, and InstaForex currency markets expert, Peter Yakimovic. We wish you successful trades. See you.